to Classpad.net. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of objects that you're working on. So whether you're working in graphing, geometry, how to change color. Relatively simple. So right now I'm on a new paper. I'm in my own account, so that's why I have this new paper. And notice I have a green border up here. You can change the color of your paper that you're working on simply by clicking the circle. Circle represents color, and change to whatever color makes you happy. So now my paper's purple. So if you want to be organizing your documents by color, that's one way to do it. But let's talk about color within objects. So I'm going to go to my icons over here, and we're going to pull up graph. And when you start creating a graph, what happens is you'll notice the first one, it automatically defaults to a blue. And I'm just going to type a simple equation in here just to make it. So whatever color is here on the side of the equation is the color that the graph will be. And it's super easy to change that color. You just click it, and now you have your choices here. And so now my line is blue. So that's everything's attached by color. And if I were to add another equation here, let's just do y equals x squared, you'll notice that it automatically comes up a different color. So it's going to constantly do that. And now I have two different colors. Now these are very close, so maybe I don't want them to be that. Let's make this one purple. So color change within the graph, easy. You just click the thing you want to change the color of up here, and boom, you can change it to whatever you want. So now let's kind of just scroll down our paper here and add how's it work in geometry. So in geometry, same idea. I'm going to draw something in here. So let's draw a couple different objects. Let's do a triangle, maybe a line, and let's actually make an angle too. All right, so I've got, they're all blue, default's blue, right? But if I want to change anything, it's simply a matter of selecting what it is I want to change. So if I wanted to change the interior of this triangle to a different color, I select it, and over here are my color size options. So let's just kind of hide this away. So you'll see I can change the color of whatever I selected. So let's make it yellow. I can hide show it if I want to do that, but we're not talking about that right now. So let's see what happens if I select the line. So notice I can now change the color of that segment I just selected. Let's make it green. And here I can also change whether it's a thick line or a thin line, whether it's dotted or not. So it's very easy. You simply select what you want. You can select a point and change the color of that. Super easy to change color. You simply select it, change it to whatever color you want. Very easy. So that's in the geometry. So how's it work in statistics? So let's kind of click over here, pull statistics up. Statistics are a table. You could, in theory, change the background color of the table, but that's not really what we're thinking about here. Let's just enter some random numbers here. Well, these aren't very random, are they? And I'm just going to use one. I could have many rows and tables, but I kind of want to just talk about color change right now. So we're going to select that, and let's make a box and whisker plot, right? So very much like the graph, because these are connected, you'll notice, let's kind of get this out of here, that the minute I make a plot or a graph from my data, it assigns it to a color. And if I don't like that color, again, I simply select the color and choose a different color. And if I were to add a second graph to this using the same data, let's put a different plot on here. So this time let's do a pie chart, right? So notice here's my pie chart. That's automatically coloring up. And that's probably not a good example. I probably should not have done pie chart. Let's do a different one, because pie charts obviously are going to come up with lots of different colors, right? Let's do a histogram. There we go. So notice the histogram is coming up as yellow, and if I don't like that, boom, I click it, and I can change it to, well, we already have, let's make it purple. So changing color is relatively easy. You click the color that you have. Pie chart, not a good example, but actually good to know. And you can just change it based on that. So I can change these to whatever color. It will automatically color different colors as you add things to a plot or a graph. And if you want to change the color, simple as clicking the color icon and picking a new color. So have fun exploring Classpad.net. Make sure you follow us on Twitter and Facebook, and send us your feedback. We'd love to hear from you.